Ducati has unveiled its latest iteration of the Streetfighter V4, a bike that takes its cues directly from the Panigale V4 superbike. As with its predecessor, the new Streetfighter V4 is packed with performance upgrades, enhanced electronics, improved aerodynamics, and a reworked chassis, all contributing to an even more potent riding experience. The Streetfighter V4 comes in two versions, the standard model and the higher-spec Streetfighter V4S, which features electronic suspension. The connection to the Panigale V4 is now stronger than ever, as Ducati has stripped down their flagship superbike and fitted it with a set of high handlebars. The result is a hyper-naked motorcycle with the same 1103cc V4 engine, delivering 214 horsepower at 13,500 RPM and 120 Nm of torque at 11,250 RPM, an increase of 6 brake horsepower over the previous model. The engine has been slightly adjusted with a new intake design to optimize power delivery across the rev range, losing just 2 horsepower at the top end. With the optional Akrapovic racing exhaust, power can increase by an additional 16 horsepower. Ducati has also revised the cam profiles, increasing the lift, while adopting components from the Panigale V4R, such as the alternator and oil pump, along with the gear drum from the Super Leg Era V4. For the first time, the Streetfighter V4 also benefits from variable length intake trumpets, which enhance both performance and rideability. The chassis is largely borrowed from the Panigale, but with some refinements. The new frame is approximately 1 kilogram lighter than its predecessor, and the front frame and double-sided swing arm offer more flexibility, with a reduction in lateral stiffness, 37% at the front and 42% at the rear. This improves rider feedback and enhances traction. Ducati has also tweaked the steering geometry slightly, further enhancing handling. The standard model comes with fully adjustable Showa big piston forks and a Sachs monoshock, while the V4S model gets electronic Öhlins NIX and TTX suspension for a more customizable riding experience. The seat height remains at 845 mm for both versions. Despite lacking fairing, the Streetfighter V4 still features impressive aerodynamic enhancements. The bike's biplane winglets generate 17 kilograms of downforce at speeds of 168 miles per hour, adding stability and improving performance. To manage all that power and provide a smooth and safe riding experience, Ducati has equipped the Streetfighter V4 with an extensive suite of electronic systems. Riders can choose from 4 ride modes: race, sport, road, and wet, which adjust various settings to suit different conditions. Additional electronic aids include wheelie control, cornering traction control, ABS, slide control, launch control, and a bidirectional quickshifter. The bike also comes with Ducati's predictive algorithm-based Ducati Vehicle Observer system, which adjusts the level of electronic intervention based on the riding conditions. Additionally, the bike features a 5-level race ECBS, a combined braking system that automatically modulates rear brake pressure to simulate the cornering techniques used by professional racers. All these settings can be easily accessed through a new 6.9-inch TFT display, which automatically adjusts its layout depending on the selected riding mode. Rider comfort has also been prioritized. Ducati has redesigned the interface between the seat and the 16-liter fuel tank, offering more space for taller riders while improving grip under braking and cornering. The handlebars and footpegs have been repositioned for greater long-distance comfort without compromising the bike's sporty nature. To reduce heat buildup, particularly during longer rides, Ducati has integrated internal deflectors to direct hot air away from the rider's legs, a common complaint with previous models. In terms of weight, the Streetfighter V4 weighs in at 191 kilograms wet for the standard model and 189 kilograms for the V4S, making it light yet capable of harnessing all that power and advanced technology. In summary, the new Ducati Streetfighter V4 combines the raw power and race-ready technology of the Panigale V4 with the aggression and excitement of a hyper-naked bike, making it an extraordinary option for those who want superbike performance with street-ready styling.